Okay, so to tune your ukulele, you can use multiple apps, but one of the apps that I would suggest is this one right here. It is called Tune for Ukulele. So if you just search ukulele tuner, so if you just go to your app store and search for ukulele tuner, it's going to be this one right here called Tune for Ukulele Tuner and Chords. It's free and it works really, really well. So that is one I would recommend. So when you download it, when you go back to the app, okay, it's gonna ask access to different things. You wanna allow it access to your microphone. Let's try that again. So now we don't have to try premium. We can just go down here and go to the tuner. And what we're gonna do is start with, so when you look at your ukulele, this very first string right here, the G string, if I So I turned off auto there. So I unchecked auto, that way I can click on the G right there. And so now it's listening for that sound. So if I'm too low, I'm gonna tune that string by turning the tuning key to make it go up. I want it to get in the middle in that green. There we go. I can go to my next string, which is the C. So let's say this one's too low. It's gonna recognize that. I'm gonna tune that tuning key till I get to the green. Good there. We'll go to the next one. Let's say this one's gonna be too high, maybe. So I need to go down. There we go. Oh, too low. There we go. And the last one, the bottom string, the first string. Just a little too high. There we go. Check all of them one more time. And the last one. All right, and then we're all done. We strum our chord. Sounds good. So that's the basic gist of how you use that app to tune your ukulele. And you always want to try to do that before you play, before a lesson, anything like that.